Hello everyone, we're here with Fairyloot's Young Adult April box. Yeah, we open this? Okay, it's kind of stuffed. Oh, it's not too stuffed actually. There we are. Oh, so Little Thieves coaster set. Like, I do really love the coasters Fairyloot have done in the past, but I'm kind of getting a lot of them. Okay, it's... Ooh. Pull it a runner. Oh, these ones are very good quality though. So we've got these nice thick ones. See how thick they are? Oh, it's like porcelain. Yeah. I do want to read this book, but I have to admit this is not my style, and I've never seen coasters this thick, and yeah. Probably not an item I'll keep, but very good quality, I'd say. Okay, here we go. A candle. I don't burn candles, so yeah, but we'll just see how this is. It's cool they're doing candles though, because I know a lot of people love them. So we've got... Ooh, those are nice smells. Come on, open. I want to smell you. Smell it. I wouldn't say it's a scent I super love, which is guess good. Doesn't make me tempt to keep it. No idea what book this is from. Does it say? Nope. We'll find out later. Okay. And here we go. Yep. Oh, Crimson Moth bookmarks. Yay. It's been a good one. Maybe I'll have to, put the phone down. So here we are, and yep, I recognize some characters, even though I've not read the book yet. They all look pretty cool. And it is foiled, so yeah, I'm very happy with that. My favourite item so far. Oh, it's because there'll be a bird on our conservatory. Okay, Roxy, you get it. You get that birdie. Okay, so a reading journal. This looks very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna have to chase away that bird. Okay, me and Roxy have told that bird who's boss, and yeah, so this is a reading journal. Don't want to quite take this off. Oh, okay. So what's this inside? It's cool. It's good that it's 10 stars. So I do think this is cool. I just don't particularly like tracking stuff on paper. So yeah, something I'll not be keeping, but I do like that. It's a cool design. Does it say what book it is? No. Find it later. Oh. So we have some overlays. Oh, and this will be of the book we're getting. Let's see. Oh, actually, I'll put the phone down to open that, but I'm just gonna check what these are. Is the journal? Oh, the journal's not based on anything. Candle. The Raven Boys. Not read that book yet, but maybe that's the smell of the Raven Boys. Coasters. Definitely Little Thieves. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the collectibles of the month yet. So yeah, I will open these. here we are with the overlays. So we've got, I don't know if they're in order, but them, I guess, looking at a phone. Okay, they're talking about joining a book club in a greenhouse. Squaring off to each other. So I would say with these pictures, I am not, I can't think of the word, but I'm not like intrigued to super read this book. I think they look cool, but maybe I'm just not into a lot of modern setting books these days. So realizing that, I'm kind of slightly put off, but I guess I will see the book. Oh wait, we have the tarot cards first. Okay, these characters are definitely of the same book. Coming out. Nope, don't come out or flop over. There we go. So yeah, these are the same characters. Ooh. I will be keeping these tarot cards, and I'm glad I've got two of these. Yeah, they look quite contrasting characters. I'm already sensing this is maybe a book I'll never read, but it seems intriguing. Maybe I'll just, yeah, look out for reviews. So, I'll open this now. Okay, I've opened it and put it over here, so we'll see it for the first time together. And it's upside down. Yes. There we go. Ooh, that is a very different cover. I definitely prefer this. Honestly, if I had seen this on a shelf, that would... I'm not into horror books, so this would extremely put me off. I do not like that picture at all. But I love this. Very pretty. Oh, well, let's see, maybe the back again. Ooh, ooh, look at that. This is very pretty. I like how that's foiled. I'm pretty sure the front was foiled as well. This is gorgeous. And the edges. Wow. Kitty. Very pretty edges. And that goes all the way around. There's a moon there, a moon there. Very, very pretty. Okay, let's see these characters again. Oh, cute. Oh, this is really cute. That glare. He's got a straw in his mouth. Okay, I don't know, the overlays didn't kind of make me want to read the book, but this kind of does. Cool. Ooh. So that's the inside cover. Edge there. Oh, so he owns a cat? Oh, duh, his favorite color is black. Oh, he likes watching anime. Spirit away. They're awesome. What'd you like? Romance novels. Someone's birthdays. I want to know this, guys. Okay, so that's there. They've got a house there. That's there. Another house. This is so cool. Okay, let's find out about this guy. Okay, we'll see this first. Okay, so they're doing some summoning together. And what's your favorite things? Oh, you like video games? That's cool. Wait, did all of them have sports as well? Let's go back, let's go back. Bike polo. Ooh. Fully bowl. Okay. Coffee and apples. What's your favorite color? Blue. Let's go back and find out more about this guy. What's your favorite color? Red. Smell? I don't know that smell. It's cool they have the lucky numbers too. So yeah, this is reading those. I'm actually quite a bit more intrigued to read this. The only thing is, I know this is kind of a witchy book, and especially screams witchy. And I'm not so much into that. So that's the summary. Yeah, it seems very, very witch-like. See, these characters look actually cool. Like, I wasn't interested with the overlays, but these and that I am. But yeah, I'm not too sure. I'm still not too sure. I'll keep an eye out for reviews. But yeah. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Overall, I think the quality of this box was very, very good. Personally for me, not so good. Not my taste. But yeah, high quality item still. And yeah, great cover. Okay, see you next month.